Now, this is how you can add email to Google Calendar on iPhone. Let's get started. So at first, what we need to do is to decide which calendar client we want to use, right? So there is a built-in calendar from Apple where you can sync it with your Google Calendar, or you can also just get a particular Google Calendar app from the App Store. So if you just decide to go with the Google option, in order to add a different mail to it, you can click on your profile picture right there, and there is the ability to add another account. So this will ask you to sign in, so you'll need to use your email or phone and then type in the password, go through the setup process, and essentially add that different mail account to the Google Calendar on iPhone. So that's the possibility right there. If you, however, want to add it inside of the built-in calendar from Apple, then locate the settings app of your phone, then tap on the apps section at the bottom and find the calendar right there. So from the options, just click on accounts, and you can also just add a new account, which gives you the ability to sign in with your Google or Gmail account right there. So basically the same principle, but you're adding it to a different app, right? As you can imagine, outside of these two, there are also some other calendar apps which also get the same job done, but I believe that these two are the most popular and, quite frankly, best options to go with. So this is how you can add mail to Google Calendar on iPhone. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.